How to change primary email on Facebook on your PC. So to change your primary email, what you have to do is first of all open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and then on the search bar, search for Facebook. And then after opening Facebook, make sure to log in, and after logging into your Facebook, on the upper right corner you will have your profile icon. Click on that and then click on settings and privacy, and again click on settings. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here on the left side, go to account settings, and then under general account settings, click on contact, and from here you can have this option add another email. Click on that, and from here you can add an email. So if you don't have an email, then you can add a new email. For now I don't have an email address, so from here you can add an email address, and then if you want to change your email address, then you can simply click on add email address again, and then you can choose the email which you want to make primary for your account. So that's it guys, that's how you change your primary email on Facebook. And if you have any questions, then feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.